Wood furniture plays a pivotal role in transforming our living spaces, offering a blend of aesthetic appeal, functionality, and emotional resonance that few other materials can match. The significance of wood furniture extends beyond mere decoration. It encompasses the overall atmosphere of a home, the comfort it provides, and the connection it fosters between individuals and their environments. Understanding the importance of wood furniture sheds light on how it can elevate our living spaces and enhance our daily lives. One of the most immediate ways wood furniture transforms a space is through its natural beauty. The unique grains, textures, and colors of wood create a warm and inviting ambience that can soften the harshness of modern design. Wood has an innate ability to create a sense of warmth and coziness, making a house feel like a home. This natural aesthetic appeals to our senses, often evoking feelings of nostalgia and comfort. In contrast to synthetic materials, wood offers a tactile quality that engages us on a deeper level, encouraging a connection with our surroundings. The versatility of wood as a material allows it to complement a wide range of interior design styles. Whether a living space is designed in a rustic, contemporary, or eclectic manner, wood furniture can seamlessly integrate into the overall aesthetic. Its adaptability means that it can be used to create focal points or harmonize with existing decor, enhancing the visual flow of a room. The adaptability of wood allows homeowners to express their personal style and create environments that reflect their individuality. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, wood furniture is known for its durability and longevity. High-quality wooden pieces can withstand the test of time, often becoming cherished family heirlooms passed down through generations. This durability not only makes wood furniture a worthwhile investment, but also contributes to sustainability. Unlike disposable or poorly made furniture, which often ends up in landfills, well-crafted wood furniture can last for decades, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This longevity fosters a sense of connection to the furniture, as families create memories around pieces that have endured over the years. The functionality of wood furniture further enhances its importance in transforming living spaces. Wood is a versatile material that can be crafted into a variety of forms, serving multiple purposes within a home. From providing storage solutions to creating cozy nooks for relaxation, wood furniture can be tailored to meet the specific needs of individuals and families. This functional aspect allows homeowners to maximize their space effectively, creating environments that are both beautiful and practical. Moreover, wood furniture contributes to the overall health and well-being of individuals in a living space. Natural materials, such as wood, can have a positive impact on indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials that may release harmful chemicals or toxins, wood is a natural product that can help regulate humidity and improve air quality. This aspect is particularly important in a world where many people spend significant amounts of time indoors. The use of wood furniture can create a healthier living environment, promoting comfort and well-being. The emotional resonance of wood furniture cannot be overlooked. The act of selecting and incorporating wood pieces into a living space often involves personal stories and connections. Many individuals find joy in choosing furniture that reflects their values, preferences, and experiences. Whether it's a handcrafted table made by a local artisan or a vintage piece discovered at a flea market, wood furniture often carries a sense of history and meaning. This emotional connection enhances the overall experience of living in a space, creating a deeper bond between individuals and their homes. Furthermore, wood furniture can foster social connections within a home. Gathering around a wooden dining table, for example, encourages conversations and shared meals, strengthening family bonds and friendships. The warmth of wood creates an inviting atmosphere, making it easier for people to come together and enjoy each other's company. This social aspect of wood furniture contributes to the creation of meaningful memories and experiences that enrich our lives. The craftsmanship that goes into creating wood furniture adds another layer of importance. Skilled artisans often pour their passion and expertise into each piece, resulting in unique creations that reflect their artistry. Supporting local craftsmen and sustainable practices can create a sense of community and authenticity in our living spaces. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a connection to the materials and the people behind them, enhancing the overall experience of owning and using wood furniture. In addition to its aesthetic and emotional benefits, wood furniture can also have a positive impact on the environment when sourced responsibly. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that wood is harvested in a way that minimizes environmental impact, allowing for the continued growth of forests and the preservation of ecosystems. By choosing ethically sourced wood furniture, individuals can contribute to environmental conservation while enjoying the beauty and functionality of natural materials in their homes. As urban living spaces become increasingly compact, the importance of maximizing functionality becomes paramount. Wood furniture can be designed to serve multiple purposes, allowing homeowners to make the most of limited space. For instance, a well-designed wooden bench can function as both seating and storage, helping to declutter living areas while maintaining a sense of style. This adaptability of wood furniture is invaluable in creating efficient and inviting living environments. The tactile experience of interacting with wood furniture is also noteworthy. The warmth of the material, the smoothness of its finish, and the richness of its texture engage our senses in ways that synthetic materials cannot. This sensory experience contributes to the overall comfort and enjoyment of a living space, making it a place where individuals feel relaxed and at ease. In an age dominated by technology and artificial materials, the natural touch of wood offers a refreshing contrast that enhances our connection to our surroundings. Moreover, incorporating wood furniture into a living space can evoke a sense of timelessness. Wood has been used in furniture making for centuries, and its enduring appeal speaks to its intrinsic qualities. This timelessness can provide a comforting sense of continuity in an ever-changing world. The psychological effects of wood furniture on our living spaces are also significant. Studies have shown that natural materials can reduce stress and promote feelings of calm. The presence of wood in a home can create a serene atmosphere, encouraging relaxation and mindfulness. In contrast, environments dominated by synthetic materials can contribute to feelings of unease or discomfort. By incorporating wood furniture, individuals can cultivate living spaces that support their mental and emotional well-being. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.